Okay, so Yasaba and Ghana spirit ne edumie but enye dum so wasem. Yeah, we say pay what went wrong. Na and correlated players. I feel say na no my idea papa.
Oh, the players
but
did not edit that so.
That is a case of my idea.
Oh, I need to
if so
say
say
I
say
yeah, the cup. So our bobo so I the cup. But honestly, the truth be told, say boys now mko any need bia.
Okay.
Even yesterday, Ghana for whom I seen I shot no cry, na so le papa bia. Na tete ho. Na still tete ho. Yes, Ivory Coast. Yes, in the whole of Ivory Coast. Flags everywhere. It was all over. Ghana, a few of the people I saw said, "Womusa Ghana, Bibi."
What is happening?
A few. Ivory and the Prime Minister said the Bibi also. Aqua Park and alcohol. Who was there? Mama Yaraga. And we Vice President to me, Uncle, His Excellency and Kobe. At least, and
Chief of Staff.
Chief of Staff, babe.
Chief of Staff.
Woman, no. Chief of Staff, babe. Woman, no.
Okay, so don't make me so.
Come on, count the Everest crowd quite away. Everest crowd. Because who to Mr. Boys no. Oh,
don't make me so short now already. Yeah, should be now. Okay, 8,000 Ivory Coast.
The problem not supporters Ivory Coast. A corona so Ivory Coast. Fuego and then Asem Kesee. And you must be sure, say, the Equatorial Guinea. One bequetia. And today he has supporters. But you see, the boys did not wait for the supporters before they played. They played. The only people who I felt say it was not clicking was our front A two no. As Amoja was playing, but you see, the game was not for Apia. And the coach should have seen it. Because Apia bobo, all right. But then rather no one come.
But almost the trust is very call from the say. A comedy and you and say you may go do so do not true. Because they do so. I know the case where I have one moment in trouble. 1 moment where a case. Do something and support blasters. Ghana did a band. The band and who told you. Yeah, did you okay. All right. So, but say no, you can.
Prophet Alashima and a page hour, sit German in the bedroom for her hair. Yeah, come the
deeper 500 was taxpayers' money. So good taxpayers' money.
No. I still disagree. Say, they had already told us say Omufa supporters be
taxpayers' money.
It feels I don't know. Still, me say I think say it was very very unnecessary. Say now sadi be akopeso. Yeah, she. Yeah, she. You didn't park so. What's the message in the park of Kahona? Nipa mo ya.
Mo na mo ka say because for the 8,000 the coin.
Now 500 mo ka say boy Ivory bi o. What to say abu Ivory? What to say abu Ivory bi? Already you had said say won't fast supporters be anko. So what changed? That is where my issue is.
Okay. All right. So yan ko share this one there. No that they see here. We can come Antonio because Osha Mufeza around Grant.
And no idea man who coach na papa. Man who coach ni ye.
Every president we ball away Ghana.
Ghana. Oh Ghana. It's them na no.
Okay. So Mr. and Mrs. Your Excellency John Dramani Mahama.
Can't be crying fine. It was just with us.
But only said Tony Bafu so bad. Nobody say who said Ghana the two or Beji Cap.
Oh, Beji Bafu. Oh, Beji Bafu. I didn't fire.
I wanted the decor. Beji Cap.
I can't then come in boom wardrobe for them. I'm heavy.
Okay, so you're going to penalty near ball the Kakra. Yeah, but every woman didn't come. You're Kwaba.
When the sides went down the tunnel for the break, the final was still goalless. Ghana were lucky to continue playing with 11 men on the field after John Boy and Eric Bailey went head-to-head. The team struggled to create chances in the second half. In the 69th minute, Boy failed to make a proper connection with his head and sent his attempt wide. The Elephants had a couple of opportunities to steal the win late in the match, but after 90 minutes the score was still 0-0. Both teams had chances to claim the win in extra time, but it wasn't to be, and just like in 1992, the champions were to be decided by a penalty shootout. Mubarak Wakaso put Ghana's first attempt in the back of the net, while Manchester City striker Wilfred Bunny hit the crossbar. Jordan Ayew also converted from the spot for the Black Stars, while Gaji Talo also missed the target. Barry Copper kept the Elephants in with a chance by pulling off a good save. Frank Achimpong also sent his shot wide, and after 8 attempts, the score was level at 2-2. The drama continued when the Cote d'Ivoire keeper went down with cramps, but he was able to carry on. The score remained leveled and the shootout went to sudden death. With the score tied at 8-8, Bremer was denied by Barry Copper, and then the keeper had an opportunity to win it for the Elephants.
Barry Copper to win it, and he scores and sends the Ivory Coast to victory. Well, 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 he's the hero twice over, and Ghana have lost again in the final of this competition. After that disappointment in 1992, when the Ivory Coast won their first title, they've done it again.
I know Grandfather Mo doesn't fit them. Yellow nip and never. Couple and Fatal cry and never doesn't fit them at all. It doesn't fit them. I say, what's your wife or if you come down so. Young country say GTP New Style. GTP New Style. And they say, Uko just now go to my yard to me. GTP New Style. Ena omo asiesi me ne kwabena emom latida ena apa matari latida ewo bintu la pass kwan no so de pala pass ho de ko malam no bintu ha odu ha wo metro kwan GTP News Town ya ma kwan na kire wadre 030221701702703704 me kai o se dan fuja dan roma ena de Asem Kesee ne de bra me se waste base constipation ne ade nyina dan fuja bitters ena betimi Adom wo pass tipa ye menstrual pain and appetite, sexual weakness, Mr. Bema, will tell you no walk a canal to so down to me where you may Westy. After appetite, there be a blood pressure cosra, no minent to memoir, Sissimo Ehawa, no air down for diabetes, and now fade down for diabesano, a dear all day pa, and a yadia who do I yet, and them Bema, what you know, Julia, on a mess and be able to me a diabon, and I watch who Kaishi, after case walk who Kaishi, and cry, Freddie Mercy called Nako Kumase. Mensa watakra de bogo so unique have some more afi was a bidofie watakwa smile ba wo boase Mose Pharmacy Green Life Pharmacy sunyane 0207872155020787215 and 0246493230
Karim, good morning.
Good morning. Yeah, boko. Ye danyamiase no ball no ye ball yi na the ABC na si itinano pa mekia miame bra Abu Lamin kotoko na no mo se me de na ye me ya pa ha ti po se no me ya pa we de ni se penalty de enim bo mekia no ya na masa kia me MP na makia la isibo ni obia na ayi ya muma yenhwe ye niema yie na ya nema stati o me ni se country man zongo ne se de ABC akoso no the do baby ya na ya munsusu na yeso a yeso support blaster no our politicians yan hwe ni ye na no na de Sam George no mu ka no ya na edi ya se players adadafo no na omo se omo antwa omo ka president mama dawuru manti nti ya twa omo kan ti e beji cup na boye nyina yi nti se ya ni no amfiri mu a Ninji ni say bit magic cup
100% correct no ya
ko na wi ni ya nkadia ye nyi ndi di for be nka ye nti nkanti abase de me de na wo na ya wo de na nyam se metese ama wadi first eno an nyam nti
that's ya ye kra kana me refia 1446 People's Choice Awards ba so na da no obi bisa me na ye de he obi ani bra we ya azumu bra wat na ni abre waso generator wapusu wotie Ghana match na generator na pampa mo memo a na omo de nam ana omo etie radio we ya asem ya ni abre wo kroma waso generator at Mrs. Paul zumra Ghana de enye izo ya babo de ya ni agorokora zumam mama for head meet no waso ni generator no and it's not the AFCON no you go so yeah make I say 1446 People's Choice Awards me so betimi test or how be any honey into me go award na
okay Inkum good morning
good morning of Kwabra
in fact last time I me vim na eswati ya pe baku bibi aboko ne
boko afumim nanso enra kugu na ma afumim aye For Quamna, you better much. And then an opay a Juma mobile. Mammy, our wife, a pa, Medawashipa. That's it. The open water, you know. I chairman, I'm a copam be more.
Latida.
That you, Mati. For Quamna Ghana, a union idea. It drew baby. Yemfa amanyosem mfanto nchen sebe enkugo eba mo mining na mu opposition for ni mu bo mo muti aba mu nyina na anigye so ba eba ma opposition for ni wo mo muti aba mu nyina Ghana yete ho obi kura timi kase ya cap no ba se dwon mama obi so cap ni mu nti ani kwan se cap no eba Ghana.
It's unfortunate. And so you have the phone at time and nonsense. So that no rubbish. Oh, but at the same time, so also better now. Now because Ebia His Excellency near Quater Kappa. So you nonsense. So,
Mama,
for blasters in the politics, Medas. Exactly, Medawas Papa 0204336444. 0204336444. Latida number. And another branch of Masonana Kwaba.
Me also Obama.
Young Quay.
I mean, Chair Professor Bafujan, where I went to Channel Park, you would have MC. SS Wabun so any health insurance in amount for ONG. I like Mamma Kahon, a better Abama Munina. Many of my kind of question me tell say, Carpone cast a Ghana blast from Uncle Famran, and you knew. Finance and your co-finance be brave, your co-finance be brave, Carpone say, you know,
finance. Oh.
Finance and they are coming to Yako finance in the Uncle Cap from Melaye, Ghana. Now, Mukoya diagram for cap number. Abasubadi Ebay. Yeah, more Mabaso, because one for cap number, or my yard next time we have more de power. Yeah, that's about what
but or my be. They fought a good fight. Now, that changes been as I can for us here now, may in Ambassa. 2 p.m. was Antimampon. Was open Mampo Zongo letter assemblyman. There was a blasters for their performance yesterday. They should back up next time. Greetings to MC Mampong. Honorable Mohammed Kojo Abuosu. 2 p.m. and Adaba.
Okay, Ademu Mohammed. Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum salam wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.
Obina Diaba Sama Sada and another NMC story. Member Sama Kind.
Makes our third party.
You Garab Dasas who collided there. There is some way now, no, my and a bonnet, the boy, 90 minutes in extra time in Nadia, boy, say a bomb about the penalties in it, a yellow too. Okay, beginning now. Almost two. I can say the couple of Ghana. I've had done it. I'm a yes, I could say two. I'm a last minute in the go find the question and Tino. If I see the man because maybe see that is you are too born of pimple easy. And then you go back to a bit to ask my actor. So I'm about to but now if I see that man on my me, I'll boss a boy come and say Baguna.
Reverend Kofi and Methodist of Boise and a page or buy a well lemle. Or say what assemblyman or Bukazo. Anya. A Black Stars player well or show well.
So good morning. Upon to say. I've been good morning. Upon to say.
Good morning. Good morning.
Okay. Boko there.
Oh, Boko, my name.
Yes, you are being well.
I'm very bad. Oh, this is all for our course in ya.
Ah, sir.
And another see.
Aha, me.
I was in I am in Chow Man of Papa. And I may say my run or come on, dinner, come on, we say,
Mate.
I actually no fancy mommy or my henny. Now, my Yamesi and not gun me, but be a botoy. Yamesi say yes to the Nipa of an intimate a day. And the summer. You say, eh, yeah, the so yes, so players in Ukraine. But be a ra among the Ghana blaster. Your flag could be in the crown. I'll come up again. And no, I made a mechanic lack me near side.
Yeah, they
be born now, Casa to Ghana. Hello.
Yeah, you
Ghana and Casa born your bottom movie.
na nneɛma lack na nkɔ side nim sɛ ɛmɛpɔm no nyankopɔn bɛtumi apagyae na yɛfa nyinaa nkyekyeɛ madam for be pa say tiki fear to go for so pass me my
okay
madam for pass no the be on so na what test am wa
one question test here lady Posh or Cape or say based in Cape and works with highways. Well, say good morning. Please wish my good friend Lady Posh happy belated birthday. She celebrated it on the 7th of February. Into happy birthday to you. No Black Stars Party committee. Ghana. Yeah, try Mahama Alagasika or the Koyom country and the Otun Mutai Betty. Because here the Black Stars are near no why but still what the caps. What? Okay,
Ellen Belle, bye.
Also, her hair is beautiful. Belinda Watamale Medase, Golden Touch Braiding Center. Yeah, what dance man exhibition. Quite so more and a drama and a permit Yamunina Medamase. Samiko for Enra there be a Pichiaka, Samola Seku Enra Samola Seku for the rev we papa super fort. Or Cotina say and cap no immunity. One would drink the quabble.
Okay, look, man. Martin, I hope to say.
O my ne kwabena sante me mama chio na na ya bre for me watch
ya joso
me dasi na Ghana had a sanity
koso Look my waba. And no cassette. Look my waba. And no Uber cassette. Nana cassette is a coach. Who cassette your ma monya quenya.
Well, who's happy out no she? Well, who's happy out no she? When in ya?
Nana Yabrifu.
Oh, Nana
Yabrifu. Yea. Nana or there coming to Tia, my circle point. No custom minister who program or funny said the upper person. Danson na go so ma hene so no onu su tipa
etia mo nyina
berema de se o ma ne unua prekope onu so metia na pa
Irene and na wudi wa oda Irene kankam happy birthday to you na menyalenti yes school for ya mo polytechnics titu ne Cape Coast Poly yes teacher for na mama bill 206.60 Ghana cedis say mo fa nkotua utilities wo mso mo ntiase nti Minister of Education deputy mo de mo ya de we hu Sanet here, Muntumi Tia Maomuntina, Monsieur Moniana, or my Husi in try home.
All right, try home here by Adam Saji and Agokensi, ever bro.